captains and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing an unboxing. This is a model of eBay, just came today. This is of course a pre-recorded video, but please like and subscribe. It already has like a lid, this box. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it like this. So as I said, it's off eBay. This one will be used for one of my model airpods. Perfect. There we go. Okay, move that out of the way. So this is the VietJetAir Airbus A320. Just a regular A320, right? It's not like a Neo or anything. Just a regular VietJetAir A320. Move that out of the way. I hope it's not broken. I haven't seen it. I'm just opening it now. It seems a little small, the box, but maybe just an impression. So at the top it says Airbus A320-200, the photo of the plane. VietJetAir registration Victor November-Alpha 678. So this model, I wanted that at auction and it will be good for Moscow. I was thinking like they could, for example, stop over in Dubai or something. So it says Baila Teach Ngai. I don't speak Vietnamese. I have no idea what that means. If you know, comment below. So this is Phoenix, right, 1400. Seems good. Let's hope I can get that plastic off. Yes. So VietJetAir is a Vietnam budget airline. There's no plastic. Look at that. There's no plastic, but okay. So I guess it's not damaged. Yeah, everything fine. Yeah, all good. No plastic, but never mind. No, that was no plastic foil, you know. Never mind. Right, so there's the model. So this is like a budget airline from Vietnam. They fly to various destinations around Asia. I think only in Asia they fly, and they have a fleet of Airbus aircraft. I think they have some 737s as well. Just to try to get the camera focused. Right, so on the top here we have the cockpit windows, then the nose, a little probe, nice detail. Vietnam, there's the first antenna, L1 boarding door, the landing gear. Moving on, we have the emergency exit, the colors of the airline. We have a star and this little writing. Sorry, that's not writing. Ooh, that's just a detail, this little white thing here at the bottom. We have the wing, VietJetAir titles. Again, I'm not going to say this, but whatever this means, maybe like hello or something. Registration, Victor November-Alpha 678. VietJetAir on the tail. Turning it around. We have the cargo hold. Airbus A320 here at the back. Quite nice detail, of course, Phoenix. Here we've got the detail from the nose door. We have the wheels, VietJetAir, the titles at the belly, the hole for the stand, the two main gears, and there's just some detail there. So overall, very detailed model. I do already have one Phoenix A320, the Aeroflot one. So this is another A320 that I have from Phoenix. I think they make one of the best A320 modes. That's how it looks face on. I know this gear, the front gear looks a little bit off, but it's not. The engine, I can just zoom it in. And there, nice detail. So I would recommend this model if anyone is an Asian collector or likes the A320 or Phoenix or whatever. I would say that you buy it. So thank you for watching this review, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.